Hey YouTube, I'm showing you how to take the rest of the part of this computer. So after you got the battery out, you got the cover over here out, you got the internal memories out, and you got the hard drive out, you got to take out all the screws. So there's a screw there, 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 and there's one there, 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 then there's one there, 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 and there's two there, and there's one here, I don't know if you can see that, and there's one there, and then there's one there, there, I already showed you that one, my bad, that one, and that one, and then last thing you have to do on the back for now is, there's two little clips right here, you just gotta grab them, and not very hard, you just pull, it pop right off and just leave it like that. The next step is to flip the computer over. Alright, so you see the computer, so you gotta take this off. So if you just lift, it comes right off. You don't want to break, make sure you do not break this. And you can take the keyboard off. You gotta untake this, so be very gentle. Got that. And then I'm gonna have to sit you guys down because what I'm doing next is kind of hard, so I have to use both hands. Alright, so you see this wire here? You want to, oh, my bad. Alright, so you want to unplug these things. They're like, it's hard to focus on it, but you gotta unplug them. Yeah. So you just pull. Just come right out. Just come right out. And then this one, just pop, comes right out. This one you'll have to wait until you get this off because it's very difficult. And then you gotta get this off, but I'll show you guys in a minute. Alright, so you see this wire right here? You gotta get this off, so you gotta pull it through. And those things I told you to get off, they're right here, so. Then you got that off. Then you gotta get this off. You guys can't see this. You gotta get that off. And I'll get that off in a minute and show you. You may need a flathead screwdriver for this. So just get like a flathead screwdriver so then you can just pop it out. But you want to be careful because it's wire, so. Okay, see how I got it loose? Now you want to pull this off. You just slides out. So now you got the screen on. So you just, see how you got that? Now you just gotta lift up the screen. Ah, my bad. I forgot these two screws. There should be a screw here and here, but I lost one, so I won't have it, but you guys should. Let's see. So I'm gonna unscrew that. You might want to be careful because the screen may fall backwards because we got everything undone, and you don't want to screw the screws in last. You just want to screw them in. Okay guys, my camera might die, but I'll go until, and if it dies, I'll just edit it so it goes, okay? Thanks. Okay, so you guys, we got the screen. See? We got the screen off. It's LCD, so be careful. You don't want to break it. Alright, so now I gotta put you down again to show you how to take off the case. Okay, so you got the case, right? You just want to be, work your way. Find a place that's good, like that. Alright. Here, this will come out. You want to keep this, it goes right in the CD-ROM. So you just want to find a good place. Alright. So, we have it almost off, but there's a little thing holding it in right here, so you want to be careful and just pull it out. Okay. So you got this off. So you're almost there. You're down to here. Hey YouTube, my camera did die, but we're gonna continue. So before it died, I told you to unplug this. So, and then next you want to unplug this, and then you can you'll have to unscrew one screw. This screw right there. You can't really see it very well, but right there, it's a Phillips. All the Phillips. Almost got it. Okay. You got the fan thing. Alright, so if you want to take the speakers out, you got to unscrew a screw right there. There's a screw right there, so I'll do that really fast. One, and then you gotta unscrew the one right there. Keep the screws always, because you never want to lose them. My bad. Okay, so it should lift out, but I'm not gonna take this out because I'm gonna reuse this computer. But I'll show you how you can get all these cords out without by just because you have to take some of this out. Okay, so you can just lift up barely. Hold on, I'm gonna say it is then. Sorry, camera fell. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this, but so here. So you just gotta lift it up. See, lifting. And this will come out. Lifting, pulling. Oh, you want to be careful. You don't want to break this, and the whole computer's dead. Okay, so you got the speakers out. This is what powers it, and if it's loose, you should push it up, because mine broke, and I had to glue it, but then I glued it wrong. I don't know if you can see, it's a little lopsided, but you have to push it, line it up evenly, and then put some super glue around it, so then it'll stay. So that, to take this out, there will be a screw right there. Right there. There's a screw there. Screw there. And yeah, that's pretty much all, and then it should just lift up. And then if you want to take this out, there's a screw right there. So that's how you take it apart. I'm gonna make a video on how to put it back together. Please subscribe and peace out.